name is Tennille Daly, and I'm going to demonstrate to you today how to thread a single needle machine, and the process will be narrated by Shayla Walden.
We are starting first with placing our thread into the thread pin. We are then going to take our thread and we are going to put it directly into the thread guide. Okay. As you can see, it was put in from the back to the front, and it's going to come straight down into the eyelet of the thread plates on the side of the machine. It will then go around the plates from the back to the front. We are now taking the bobbin and placing it onto the needle that it will go on in order to be winded. We are going to turn it counterclockwise a couple times, just enough to make sure that there's thread on there. We're going to go ahead and push straight forward so that it may catch. The final step on this is just stepping onto the presser foot, turning on the machine and stepping into the presser foot, and it will go ahead and wind all your thread onto that bobbin. It will automatically stop on its own. Now that we have the bobbin with its thread in it, we are going to take this bobbin and put it into its case in the shape of a P. As you can see right now, it's in the shape of a Q. We're going to turn it around and place it into the bobbin case this way in the shape of a P. You're also going to follow its guide. It'll be ready right then when the thread pops. You can see it's not coming out, and you can pull. It's going counterclockwise. Now you're ready to put it into your machine. Ready?
Probably we should have
Go ahead. Tennille's now going to lift up the machine, and there's oil in the machine, and she will stick it directly into the machine, holding its little arm out and pushing it directly in. It will pop, letting us know that it's ready. She's bringing it down now. The machine is getting ready to be threaded. Okay, we're going to begin by putting the thread, the spool of thread, on the spool pins. We will be threading this thread from the back to the front of the thread hanger. It's going to come straight down and pass between the two thread holes. The first one will go from right to left, around, and then from right to left again, leaving it in the shape of an S. I'm going to bring this up close so that you can see the first shape. It's right there. We're going to come on down and we're going to pass the thread through the first right eyelet, from right to left, again around, and then we're going to go back down from right to left, straight into the two thread tension discs. This is where this is located. These are the two thread tension discs. We're going to pull it through until the thread catches in the take-up spring. That is the take-up spring right there. We're going to then pass under the thread release finger and behind the thread guide. That's where we are right now. Okay. We're now taking the thread and it will pass behind the thread take cover plate through the thread take up eyelet. This is what this is called. I'm going to bring it up close so that you can see. Tennille, be kind. This is the cover plate, the thread cover plate, and this is the thread take eyelet. It's going to go through the eyelet, straight down, through the faceplate. That would be that little tool. I'm going to bring you around so that you can see that better. There it goes. You can continue straight down. You're going to go straight down into the needle eyelet. And you would thread the shank, which is the needle, from left to right. To pull the bobbin thread up to the top of the machine, hold the top, you hold the top of the thread, and you will place your hand on the hand wheel and turn it counterclockwise until the needle catches the bobbin. You will then place your foot and put the screw on the foot so that it may be ready to sew. Now you're ready to sew.